This is a 2011 Ford Taurus. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel mounted gear shifting, a security system, dusk-sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 22,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Joe Cotton Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 175 West North Avenue in Carroll Stream.